As a writer, you can rate the helpfulness of each comment you receive in Eli Review from a peer, just like a star rating on Amazon. This rating lets reviewers and your instructor know if you've gotten what you needed from the feedback. To decide how many stars to rate a comment, look at the parts of the comment. Give a star for each of the following. Description. Does the comment paraphrase the main ideas or goals in your draft? Does it refer to a specific passage? Evaluation. Does the comment apply specific criteria and explain why the draft meets or does not meet those criteria? Suggestion. Does the comment include a question, a strategy, or a change to guide your next steps? Kindness. Does the comment show particular respect to your draft and to you? Transformation. Does the comment inspire you to make big, bold changes to your draft? By using this rating scale, most comments should get 3 stars. That's not bad. 3-star comments have everything necessary to help writers revise. Reserve 4 stars and 5 stars for those rare comments that change the way you think about your writing.